What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to upgrade your ChatGPT to ChatGPT Plus, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So ChatGPT, guys, most of us are using it for some of the everyday tasks, maybe about the school, college, maybe with work or anything, but we cannot lie to ourselves that ChatGPT isn't making our lives easier. Well, I'm gonna tell you now that you can have even better experience with ChatGPT if you upgrade it to their Plus plan. So how to do it? Well, that's the topic of today's video. So what you need to do is, of course, have an account, and then what you need to do is go to the bottom left corner where it says upgrade plan. So when you make an account, you're automatically a free user, but you can upgrade to Plus. So when you press on upgrade to Plus, as you can see, it loads over here. So as you can see, this is $20 per month, and what you need to do is, as you can see, you're having email address over here. I'm gonna be blurring it out just out of my own safety. Then we are having payment methods. As you can see, they support Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and you of course need to enter the expiration date of the card number, and the CVC. Then of course the full name on the card and billing address, and so on and so forth. So this is when you fill this form out, you just press subscribe and you have successfully upgraded your ChatGPT to ChatGPT Plus. So let's repeat the process. Go to the bottom left corner where it says upgrade plan, press on it and select upgrade to Plus and fill out their respected form. So guys, overall that's the entirety of the process on how to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.